kinakaganda na. Hi! I'm gonna tour you guys here. This is our organizer here. Say hello. Hello, Ate Chel. Say hi, Ate Shelly.
Hi!
And this is all our foodies.
Happy Family Day! Happy Family Monday!
Hello. Kala mo akin?
Hindi ba sa'yo?
Hindi. Hello. Hello, Bella. Hi. Hello.
Hello! Welcome!
This is Kathleen Camera ng family. Hi. Hello, baby. Say hello. Hi, Riley. Hello.
Dito.
Hi. And this is my beautiful Freddy. Hello, Baba. Say hello, Baba. For the vlog. Hello. Hello. Oh, my beautiful Nana.
Makuling na naman ako.
Business. Wala naka-record ko ha.
Uy, Mom! Still record? Yeah, it's okay. And then, it'll be gone. And then, bring your plate. You want broken pizza first? One of that, please. Thank you.
Hello. Hi. Are you a vlogger?
Blacker is key. Still on, Ken? Still on. Basta. Gawin for me. Tikman na lahat.
Then, that one.
Which one? That one?
Stop it!
It's okay lang.
Rowena is the winner.
Yeah!
You can take home half of the tray here.
Ano kasi may pasok. Hi! Okay lang!
Lean back as far as you can. Pull. Go. Lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Keep going. Keep leaning. Keep leaning. Keep leaning. Keep leaning. Keep pull, 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 pull.
Okay, let's see. Group yourselves into, this is only a practice, okay? Into five.
Hawak.
Baka daw maapakan ng bata.
Kasi mga competitive eh. No?
Aileen, huwag na lang daw pasalin ng bata. Baka maapakan.
Saan mo lang nilalagay?
Pin my phone daw. Go. Gusto yun, di ba? Pangit na naman. Go.
Umisis na naman.
turn. No love.
No, no. No, no, leave it there, leave it there.
Go, go, go. Magsalamin ba tayo? Salamin tayo. Go.
Dito muna. Dito muna. Okay, okay, okay. Amat.
Ano ka nun?
Ayan.
Sama mo na.
Dito, dito. Ganun,
Okay.
Apat pa din. Ito.
Saan ba ang unahan?
Dito lagi.
Dito lagi, okay. Oh, yung sabi ko.
Dito,
Okay,
dito.
okay.
Ito yung lagi.
Ha?
Dito yung pagpag.
Dito lagi, okay.
Kasi ito yung dito, tapos direct na lang dito.
Sige. Ha? Okay, wait now. I'm doing picture.
One more.
Sige.
Bye!
Bye.
Ano ba tapos nito?
Sige, tapos ito. Ano ba kasi sundan ko talaga sa'yo kung saan ka dito?
Dito, dito, dito talaga.
Okay. Pero okay lang yung dito sa'yo.
Dito ako dito.
Una yung dito.
Dito, dito na, dito.
Dito ko sa'yo.
Dito tayo, stop eh. Go. No, ito muna tayo. Hindi ako alam dito.
Okay lang. Okay lang yan. Last na.